Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we break down the latest and most intriguing stories for you. Today I've got a story that's buzzing in the headlines and sparking debates across the nation. We're diving into the legal drama surrounding none other than Sean Diddy Combs, the music mogul and entrepreneur. Yup, you heard that right. So here's the scoop. This case has everyone talking, from legal experts to fans on social media. Diddy's lawyers are making waves by requesting that he appears unshackled in court. Why, you ask? Well, it's a fascinating legal strategy. It all boils down to something called juror bias, a concept that can make or break a case. Let me break it down for you. Juror bias occurs when jurors form opinions based on something other than the evidence presented in court. Imagine you're a juror, right? You're supposed to be impartial and base your decision solely on the facts. But you walk into the courtroom and see the defendant chained up like a movie villain. It's hard not to let that image influence your thoughts. Subconsciously, you might think, this guy must be dangerous. Even if there's no evidence to support that. That's exactly what Diddy's legal team is worried about. They want to ensure that the jury sees him as a person, not a criminal. They argue that seeing Diddy in shackles could unfairly influence the jury's perception of him. Makes sense, doesn't it? After all, first impressions are powerful. Now, this request isn't as uncommon as you might think. In fact, it's a topic that has been debated in legal circles for years. Many defense attorneys argue that shackling defendants can prejudice a jury, making it difficult for them to remain unbiased. It's all about ensuring a fair trial, which is a cornerstone of our justice system. And let's be real, everyone deserves that, right? A fair trial is a fundamental right, no matter who you are. But let's flip the script for a second. There's another side to this argument that we need to consider. The prosecution might argue that shackles are necessary for safety. Courtrooms can be unpredictable, and security is a top priority. It's a delicate balance between maintaining courtroom security and protecting a defendant's rights. Quite the legal tightrope. So what's next? How will the court navigate this complex issue? Well, the judge has to make the call. It's up to them to weigh the arguments and decide what's fair and just. Will Diddy walk into court without those shackles? It's a decision that could have far-reaching implications. We'll have to wait and see. The outcome of this case could influence how future cases are handled. This decision could set a precedent for future cases, so it's definitely one to watch. Legal experts are keeping a close eye on this one. All right, folks, that's the latest on Diddy's courtroom saga. What do you think? This case raises important questions about fairness and security. Should defendants be unshackled to avoid juror bias, or is security the top priority? It's a debate that's sure to continue. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear what you think about this complex issue. And before I go, a big shout out to the sources that helped piece this story together. Your insights are invaluable. Thanks for keeping us all informed. We couldn't do this without you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to us. I'm signing off, but I'll catch you in the next one. Stay informed, stay curious, and keep the conversation going.